comes down the wire. There's a tiny match head in here. It's called an electric match, just like a match head. It pops, fire shoots down here at 60 feet a second, past the shell into the lift charge, which is a black powder bag, pushes the shell out. At the same time, it lights a time fuse, and that's the little tiny spark trails you see that aren't part of the effect, just going up into the sky. Time fuse burns inside, gets to a brake charge, and snaps it open. And that's the effect you see in the sky. And each one of these tubes with foil over the top is loaded with something like that. That's your basics on a firework shell. So the diagrams that the team has posted on the wall is essentially what we call the show Bible, or the overview of the whole show. And when they get here and post that up, my team can read that at any point and know this module, whatever number it is, probably 40, has to have this many cues with this many 3-inch racks, and they have to be in this order. And that kind of thing is where we really start to lay out the between 1,500 and 2,000 cues, which each individual pulse represents. All those modules, up to 60 in this show, get connected back to a single computer in the bomb shack, where we sit and watch and wring our hands and jump around excitedly for the whole show. And we'll go there next. A good show doesn't necessarily come from extreme quantity in the sky. It comes from being articulate, being as precise as you can, and knowing when to shoot more, when to shoot less, and really drawing from the music. Some people shoot a big scene and play music along with it, and some people take the music and really take the fireworks scene and pull the emotion out and deliver it to the audience, and that's where I like to see with the competitors we work with, and that's what I like to do when I design myself too.